Hi, Dan. Neville Goddard talks about the law of assumption and bringing my future self into my present reality. How do I do that?
It's really a good question because it's a question that's often asked. How do I get that future person into my present reality? And that's part of the function of your imagination. Just like you can imagine taking a vacation to a place you've always wanted to travel to. Imagine what it's like going there. You can imagine what it's like being there and experiencing the food and the smells and the activities that are going on that may be very different from where you live now. You can experience it in your mind, and it helps that we have things like television and films and so forth that have given us some images to tap into. You can imagine yourself in that experience in taking your dream vacation. Because you can imagine it, because you can experience it in your subconscious mind does not recognize imagination from real three-dimensional reality. And taking that imaginary image, taking that imaginary experience and making it real in your imagination makes it real. To your subconscious mind, it's real. And you can then, Neville says, to focus your attention not on the goal, not on the achievement, but on the feeling that you have, the person that has achieved that you in the future, the person who has achieved the goal. Think of the feelings that you have after you've achieved your goal and focus on that feeling, because that's the driving force for keeping the momentum going to achieve that goal. Thanks for being with us today. My goal is to give you value with every lesson. If you would like us to notify you every time a new lesson is ready, click subscribe below, then turn on notifications. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks.